Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles admitted yesterday that the central bank is still trying to understand what's happening with remittances. Remittances have remained strong despite the challenges plaguing countries where there's a large Jamaican diaspora. Mr. Biles gave this hypothesis.
Remittances generally tend to be counter-cyclical to economic growth. In other words, when we're doing well, and so the people in Jamaica don't need as much support, yes, it kind of dies down and it flattens out. When we are in need, a hurricane might have hit us, and it rises again. So there's a kind of sentimental lever that gets flipped.
He says although the challenges are widespread, it may not have affected the Jamaican diaspora as badly.
A lot of Jamaicans, certainly in that tri-state New York area, work in areas that have not suffered serious job losses, particularly health. And not only still have jobs, but probably have been earning over time as they work to save lives. And so their capacity to remit is even better than it was before.
Meanwhile, Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles has indicated that oil prices are likely to rise next year. He says that's because prices have been largely subdued for most of this year.
So I don't think there's any strong motivation for oil prices to move dramatically up. But we may find that oil in 2021 is on average a little more expensive than oil has been for us this year. $41 a barrel may sound more than 30 where it was months ago, but it's less than it was last year for most of the year, which was like 60, 55, 60, 50 and 60. So we have got off very handsomely this year with oil prices.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $148.07. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.81. The pound closed at $195.25, while the euro is going for $178.71. The JSE index gained 1,154 points today, and the junior market index is up 4 points. Among the winners were Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, JMMB Group 7.5%, Blue Power Group, and Kingston Wharves. On the losing side were Main Event Entertainment Group, Knoxford Express Services, T-Tech, Sagicor Select Funds Manufacturing and Distribution Index, and Indies Pharma. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.